Hi guys, today we are gonna play Geometry Dash World. Nobody talks while I'm playing this game. I don't have anger issues. Yo, let me just lower the voice real quick. Alright, let's go. Nobody talks about the skin. I just did it for no reason, so even though the skin is literally garbage, I'm still gonna do it. I don't really like Payload. Payload's okay, it's not the best. I mean, it is pretty easy. Like, if you saw that Sub-Zero rule, you saw Sub-Zero one? I was raging so hard, like my microphone, I couldn't use it yet. So what happened is that basically I started raging so hard
You have
that
the
I
power
was,
to change your
oh
life.
my
That's
gosh.
why it's called a power.
I hate when that happens. I literally hate when that happens, bro. Oh whoa, look, I can open my chest. No, that's not actually how much I have. I have way more than I actually have. Don't believe me. Okay. Why did I say that? When I first time recording my voice. That's why. I made so much typos in my other videos. And the first videos, or like the second videos, they were super old screen recordings. Like, since it's called iPhone Jones Dash Master, the channel, you know why. You know exactly why. I know you do. I like Peace Mode. Peace Mode's good, like, it's okay. I'll rate it like a 7 out of 10. Or should I rate it lower? I don't know, bro. Okay, if you guys see this, let's see if you can comment, because I never had a comment except for these two people. Oh my gosh, it's an ad. Everybody hates ads. I mean, people who don't are weird. For some reason, I added a Roblox video. Nobody talks about that, bro. Nobody. No, okay, I'll actually tell you guys. So basically, my friend, he's like, okay, I'm making a channel. So I'm like, I'm making a channel. And he's like, oh yeah, sure. And then he's like, sure, but like, why is your name MRZ 2020? That is garbage. So I'm like, okay, then what should I name it? And then he's like, iPad Geometry Dash Master because he played Geometry Dash, but and he played on iPad though. I'm like, but I'm not that good. I still named it that anyways for some reason. But yeah, I'm playing World. I'm just playing with this mini shield. It's weird. Okay. Here we go. Okay, you just close that. I think I just did that one. So yeah, now I'm actually doing pretty good on my channel. I just started, so. Oh, this shit looks garbage. My bad. This is garbage. Oh yeah, I posted really early last time because I was doing an all nighter. So, I mean, yeah, we're in the United States. Oh my gosh! I actually almost died there. I didn't really like this level. Like, it's okay. I don't want to say it's the best. I just did that one, I think, right? Yeah, I did. Okay, still. Frontless? I don't. Okay, now I remember this. Well, I like the Discord one because if you look closely, it smiles in both ways. Like, I just hate the brown eyes right now. The brown eyes are so bad. I just chose like such bad colors for no reason. And then yeah, I'm just doing this. My dad let me record my voice, so. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I beat Finger Dash for some reason.
You have the
Oh
power.
my god. I beat Finger Dash for some reason. I beat Finger Dash, okay? Why do I keep saying that? I beat Finger Dash. And then when I go on, I'm playing, and then I start playing Time Machine. I'm at 91%, and I can't beat Cycles either. I'm like, I really got good Finger Dash. So dumb. I feel like I don't like. I'm not very good at Jones Dash. So if you expect me to be a good player, I'm not a good player. I just died there. I literally just died in the world. That's crazy. Bro, this UFO looks garbage. I had to choose like with my eyes closed and stuff. No, I did any mini mining. No, so goofy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 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 Nobody talks about what I just said. Ah! God. Yes. Okay, yeah. I beat it. I'm Timothy. I am literally Timothy. Wait, why am I saying Timothy? No, I'm not Timothy, or I'm not him. I don't know why I said that. It's a rabbit! My bad. Wait. Okay, no, I'm doing it. I don't know why I just did that. I'm sorry. It'd been cool if they added coins in this. Way better. There's so much music in this one. This one's kind of goofy though. Da, da, da. Bah. Yeah. I'm too good. Wait, why did I say that? Why did I say that? Oh my gosh. I hate triples. For some reason. But triples make it more challenging. My next video. No, I'm actually just not going to play my next video. Well, you guys don't really care anyways. Because this is a new channel, so like barely anyone's watching it. Oh my god, bro. I like the ball a lot. That sounds sus, but I'm actually not to be. I like the ball a lot, but it's not in this color. And like the ball's really hard. No, like no, not really hard. I'm talking about the airborne robots. It's so annoying. I mean, Embers is the whole ball part. And airborne robots is just a harder version. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, okay, okay. Why does it happen?
You have the power to change your life. That's why.
This is why nobody, like, okay, I'm just kidding, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. I just did this one, so, here, round one. This is not round one. This is like, I don't know, like round something. Yeah, I'll check out for this. I don't know why I'm taking it personal. Yeah. I'm at my cousin's house right now. That's why I put my wireless headphones on. No, I'm not trying to flex. Like everybody has one. A lot of people. Some people do. But whoa! Why is Dave and Buster's keep calling? I'm gonna put the volume up. Nope. I lied. To be honest, the monster dance of music, I like that level, but like the music is weird. Like I don't like the music. It's like really uncomfortable for me. If you like the solo, I don't care. I like the solo, but it's not the music. I like the music. Come on, bud. If you literally have hate on me, I could actually just start this channel. Just ask my dad. He's like, sure, sure. You can just do it. You can just do it, man. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Yeah, one sec, one sec.
You have the power to change your.
Oh, oh yeah, no, take that out. No, take that out too. Take that out too. Take that out too. Take that out too. Ah, take that out. Okay. Nobody looks. Nope. You don't see anything, man. Imagine if I get famous. That'll never happen, though. Wait, what? I just opened this. Isn't this supposed to be like 24 hours or something? I checked my other account, man. I'm like, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. And go here. It's like, oh man, I'm just stupid. I'm just stupid. Okay, I think I just finished the whole game. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to Geometry Dash, normal, of course. You guys choose my skin. I don't care how goofy it is. I don't care. Okay, look at this page and tell me if it's on first page in what number. Because I'm gonna go by number what's like 1, 2, 3. Like the first one, I'll count that number 1, okay? And second page, just do page 2, and then just choose like, and then it just starts here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then yeah, for this page, I'll see what I have. I don't have anything here really. Yeah, that's it. And then this, that. I don't have UFOs. I don't think stuff here. I don't have that much. Bro, like, what is this, bro? Like, why does that actually look kind of good? Mm, I like that. But, your choice. This or this. That doesn't even matter. I'm not buying anything here. Because I'm trying to get Scratchy Shop, bro. It's so annoying when you just like, give me 500 diamonds, bro. Just give me 500 diamonds. Give me 500 diamonds right now. I got the community shop. I don't. I'm buying the one that's 2,000. Oh wait, there's two. That's the first row. No, oh my god. Okay, the first shelf on this page. The first shelf, the second character, and then yeah, I'm just gonna create my own stuff. It's so goofy, like yeah, this community. Alright. And then wait, I have to try this. I suck at these. I've only beaten one. Let's play this. Fight me. What the f is this? Oh my god. What the f is happening? Ah! No! Oh, I just got the coin! Ah! What is happening? I suck! I don't even know what's happening! Oh, I know what happened. Okay, I just went overboard with this video, but okay. Oh, I'll show you my. If you want to go to my account, you got. Oh my gosh, bro! I'm just gonna search up MHZNNA. Nobody talks about that name. And then you see, oh my gosh, guys, this is me. I'm just gonna delete that. New YouTube channel called iPad Geometry Dash Mastery. Yay! Okay, and then I made more like, and then you go like, oh my gosh, he has so bad stuff. And then after that, why did I say after that? Okay, go here, and then I can here. That's only one. Oh, I suck. Okay, I'll type them in. I'll type each one in. If you guys want to try my levels, I'll type it in my. Wait. Yep. Okay. Here, take a picture of it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna put this here. So I'm just gonna copy this and then add it in the comments. So if you guys want to play my stinky levels, that probably you think will suck. I mean, I can show you the thing. It's not like a Flappy Bird there level that's happened. That's just a copy and then yeah. I used to be so bad. For some reason, this level that like I made it first, my first level. Oh my gosh, I did triple. Ah! I did not use this as hacks. I verified it, okay? I won't use hacks, bro. Yeah, like this level, I don't get like, is it not rated? Like, if you can tell me why it's not rated, I don't know, cause all my other levels are rated, and I just don't know why this is rated. This isn't rated, cause all my levels are rated. Like my new Flappy Bird one I made it, and it already got rated. But for some reason, for this one, I shared it too. I should just no, no. Okay, but yeah. So that's gonna. Oh my. That's gonna be it for the video. Cool. Now I think I have to take a shower. I had to take a shower at 12:03 a.m. Um, but yeah, nobody talks about why I have Monopoly, but or Chrome Dino Run.